I'm in the midst of folding up clothes. I just finished washing clothes. I'm going to be vlogging today, and the stay that I take, I'm going to be vlogging here while I'm in Atlanta. I'll be taking you guys with me through the journeys. This will be over the course of maybe 2 to 3 weeks. We'll see how it goes. I'm actually doing this with my GoPro 11 my boyfriend bought for me. It's the 11, the GoPro Black 11. And yeah, I haven't, if you watch my other videos, you know that I am currently out of the camera because my my ZV-1 stopped reading the SD cards. So I'm currently out of the camera, but because he bought me the GoPro, I'm gonna be using it for footage while in Atlanta and practicing vlogging, because I want to get into vlogging more often and not just doing sit down videos. So I'm gonna test it out with this. Hopefully the quality looks decent, looks good. Me and my boyfriend will be heading to my sister's new apartment. She just moved here, her and her boyfriend. Shout out to Ebony and Reggie. They just moved here to Atlanta in the Biddy. So we're gonna go over there and visit them and say what's up, and you know, help the home feel like home, maybe by just being there, giving our presents and whatnot. And yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys, oh, they probably won't do too much, and they're still in the unpacking stage. If you ever moved anywhere, you know how that can go, you know how annoying it can be. So yeah, we're not gonna get in the way, we're not gonna stay too long, but we're gonna go over there definitely to say what's up. Hey you guys, so I am dressed. Hopefully the air blowing is not super loud, but I'm dressed. We're about to head out to my sister's. The sun is shining in the window, it is shining. So yeah, I'm just wearing a crop top, biker shorts, and my LV sandals, and my Apple Watch, and my sunglasses from Amazon. I believe these are like a Celine dupe from Amazon. But I'm going to be heading to my sister's apartment with my boyfriend in a few, and I guess I'll just see you guys once we get there. Didn't have time to put my nails on. I really don't feel like doing it right now because I have to shape it, I have to file them down, I have to get the glue that I left on off of it, and yeah, I figured out with the GoPro, so you have to touch the screen because it like times out. It goes black while it's still recording after a minute of recording. So when it does that, you have to tap the opposite side. Because I'm vlogging, I'm facing it towards me, but I can see myself because it's the GoPro 11 Black Hero. So I have to tap it on the other side, not the side that I see, because there's 2 screens, one on this side, one on the other side. So I have to tap it whenever it gets dark. But I'm glad that was an easy fix. I looked it up on Safari, on Google, and it was just like, yeah, just tap it. I would have never thought that. Just tap it and the light comes back. So yeah, there's not a way to adjust it in the settings as far as I know. If you know, let me know. Like I said, I'm playing around with the GoPro, trying to see what I like and what I don't like about it. The best way to, there, it's going dark right now. Tap, there we go. The best way to use it, especially while I do not have an actual camera. So yes, and I'm using, as you can see my hand, I'm using it without a tripod because I need to pick one up as well. But yeah, I'll see you guys once we get there. Hey you guys, so I'm in the car headed to my sister's and her boyfriend's apartment. I'm a little irritated because I had to wait to get keys to head out. Long story short, I work for this company, and we travel for work, and we share the rental cars with the members of the team. And I was supposed to leave at least 40 minutes ago, but the people who had the keys needed them for a little bit longer than they thought they would need them for, and there's only like 3 cars on rotation of that we share. So now I'm heading there finally. Juwana's inside getting a housewarming gift, and then we'll be pulling up in about 15 to 20 minutes. She's like 15 to 20 minutes away from the hotel, which isn't bad at all. Oh, and there he is. There he is with the housewarming gift. Let's see what he got. Let's see what you got, baby. Oh, look at that. This is Don Julio. What is this? Deleon. Look at the top. Wow. And it's, ooh, okay. This is nice. Let me see the top of the this part. Oh yeah, that looks really nice. That's cool, y'all. It's gonna be strong. Fun fact, my sister likes extremely strong liquor, so she should enjoy this. Oh, and it's another one. There's another one. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. And what does this do say? Oh gosh. What Cardi B say? She said like my nigga is dark like do say. Is that what she said?
Yep.
But yeah, so we're about to head there now, and I'll see you guys later. This is cute, the Ipic. Okay. Come on, baby, come on. We got the Delion. And we got the juice stand. Okay, we can make a Carisha, please, with this one, right? This
yeah.
Period.
Yeah.
And who is this?
Duce?
Is this anybody famous? Or anybody? Jay-Z. Okay.
Oh, I know that.
I'm gonna put this over here on my little.
It's so nice.
We're gonna do a little repaint. Okay, y'all first, y'all wanna take a shot? What's up, you guys? So I didn't come back to talk to you guys about the movies Ipic. It's been a couple days later, but I want to catch you guys up to now. So let's start with the venue. The movie theater was all super nice. I loved it. We loved it. It was so cute. It was comfortable, but I want to say Cine Bistro. My boyfriend said Cine Bistro had more comfortable chairs, but it was cool that you had your own little cubicle thing. I'm gonna insert some videos, some pictures of our experience. I didn't take my GoPro out that much or my camera out that much because of course it's dark in the theater. Didn't want to have a light flashing the whole entire time the movie's playing. And the area outside was very nice. It reminds me of Atlantic Station. If you've ever been there, Atlantic Station in Atlanta, it definitely reminds me of that. But yeah, it was a cool experience. I love the movie. I will go see it again. Anybody who saw in the comments, what did y'all think about it? People said about the movies that it would make you cry or make you like ready to fight some folks, but I didn't feel like I was ready to fight nobody or I was gonna cry. I didn't feel like I was gonna cry at any moment of the movie, but I definitely enjoyed it. I still enjoyed it. But my mama is in town and we're about to head out on the town. Head out on the town in the city of Atlanta. Of course, we might stop to the Hive. It's here in Buckhead. It's a brunch spot. They do brunch on Saturday and Sunday. So I may take some pictures and stuff and videos and take y'all with me. We'll see. Don't know what the day's gonna take us. We do have a reservation tonight though. We have a reservation tonight at Chop. Is it Chop? Rock South Atlanta? Rock Atlanta? I can't remember the name of it. One of them. But it's still very small for vlogging. I'm used to having a bigger screen. But oh yeah, y'all, I bought a camera. I finally bought the Sony ZV-E10 and it should be here on Tuesday. I ordered it off of Amazon. I ordered a tripod to go with it, a mini tripod, and I ordered a little pink case. I can't wait to show you guys that when it gets here. See you at the restaurant. Oh, I need to fix my nail. Okay, Mom. See y'all at the restaurant. Bye. It's the natural law that the refugees bring. Hey you guys, so I was editing the vlog and I realized I didn't have an outro, so I just want to go ahead and put an outro for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching my Atlanta vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. Have any comments, make sure you comment down below. And majority of the vlog I was telling you guys about my camera, my GoPro that my boyfriend bought for me. And I just want to go ahead and show you it since you really couldn't see it since I was using it the whole entire time. This is how it looks. And this is the tripod that I bought with it. Look at that. And guess what? It spreads out. And then look, the reason why I bought it too, because you can like change the legs to wrap around things. Like if I want to put it on the scooter when riding through the city, if I want to put it around like my arm or something, like, or hook it onto something like the door or a knob or whatever, something like that's above me to get a better angle, I can do that. So yeah, I got it from yesstyle.com. If you guys heard of that, let me know. I found it randomly because they didn't have any cute pink ones like this on Amazon that would like perfect for my GoPro. They were all like black, white, like basic ugly colors in my opinion. But yeah, this is how it looks. So yeah, that's my GoPro on its mount. And I had to buy this separately also. This does not come with the GoPro pack. You have to buy this little dongle piece and this to go with it. It comes with the attachment to like stick to like a helmet or in a car or in a motorcycle to have it in place forever, but it doesn't come with the removable one. So yes, that's the GoPro. I just want to show you guys. This is the back screen. It's not on right now, and then the front screen. So when I'm vlogging, I see myself on this screen. What screen? Yeah, I see myself on this screen right here because this is the actual camera. And then the back screen is the bigger frame. That's why I really can't see that well, but it's okay because I'm holding it in my hand so I can see enough. But compared to my actual vlogging camera, it's a lot bigger. And I'm using the new one right now that I was telling you guys about, the one that I purchased while I was using this one. So anybody who's interested in vlogging and wants to be a little bit low key with it, I really suggest you get a GoPro. It doesn't have to be the GoPro 11 Black Hero. It could be any GoPro, but I really do love using this one. The footage turned out really good, really good. But yeah, thanks for watching my video. See you guys at my next one. Bye.